How to deposit money from a bank account to your Binance account. This video is simply based on adding money to your Binance account to start crypto trading on it. For this, I will open my browser and search for the Binance here. Click on the first official website of Binance, and here you have to click on the login button to get signed into your account. Let me just find my login account button here. This is an option to deposit in your account. You will click on it, and there you have to click on the fourth option, that is bank deposit. Where you have to click on the bank deposit, here you will see deposit fiat. Select your currency, that is euro right now. You can change the currency to Philippines peso, NZD, or any other currency throughout the world. And just after selecting a currency, scroll down. If I select euro, then I have to select a payment method. That is SEPA Bank Transfer, Genzi.com, and Easy Bank Transfer. Now you have to click on the continue button and then click on the start now. My profile is currently not verified, so I won't be able to add any money to my account. But if you have an active or verified account, you will be successfully given to add money to your account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.